What? Oh my god! What is draining up a freaking... Oh, there's a house fire over there. Maybe there's a house fire. Yeah. Yep, I can see smoke. I can see smoke. I can see smoke in the distance. I can see smoke. Alright. Shut the fuck up, Bear. Shut the fuck up. Alright. We got so much thunder. We got so much lightning right now. Not really a good idea to get outside right now. But there is a collision. Smell that. There's smoke. Smoke. We got smoke. Probably a small house fire. We got lightning. There's a freaking... Yeah, the clouds are looking scary. And we got the freaking cops. So there was a house fire during a thunderstorm. It's kind of weird. Your fire alarm's going off. Yeah, I'm gone. Alright, inside I get!